We getting back on our Zoom. We getting back on our shit. Period.
Shit in your nose. I still love you. Doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady, but at home.
No. I finally got a real
You ain't nasty, don't at me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl channel. It's Kate Emile here. Yes, by the time y'all watching this video, I'm no longer considered C Dollars. I am now Kate Emile. If you guys want like a little backstory of why I changed my brand or anything like that, let me know and I can add it to one of my upcoming vlogs. But right now, I'm just about to get myself ready. Today's vlog is going to be, well, I don't know if I want to say vlog, but today's video is going to be about me attempting to get my life together under 24 hours. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's not gonna be over 24 hours, but anyways, your girl is about to do her makeup just a little bit. Y'all, I'm still having some acne breakouts, I'm not going to lie, but I have some content to film. Lord, I can't even talk. Content to film, so your girl is just gonna do her eyebrows and look kind of decent. I may just wait to do my face once I wash my hair, because I don't know, y'all, this bun has been in since freaking my ponytail. Like this slick. Yeah, I know we ain't gotta talk about it, girl. Like 2 weeks. Great. Anyways, yeah. So like I was saying, y'all, this blunt has been in my freaking head for about 2 weeks. But for right now, I am just going to keep on what I got. Maybe, I don't know, I'll probably throw on my... No, I'm going to keep on what I got because, girl, I just want to look somewhat decent. I want to go to T-Mobile to get an iPad because I just feel like, you know, it's time. It's time, because me going as hard as far as content, trying to plan out stuff for my business, I just feel like it would be so much better if I had an iPad. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Well, maybe we might be getting an iPad. Okay, I kind of don't want to spend the coins, but the coins need to be spent. Like, it's an investment. I can write the iPad off, honestly. So it is what it is. But I'm just gonna do some light brows. I'm not even gonna cover up my acne spots. I'll probably just put a pimple patch on it and go out the door, go to T-Mobile. It is currently 5:38, y'all, by the way. My Zoom meeting is at 6 for my internship. You guys been watching me, y'all know I have an internship to complete before I'm even able to get my degree. I have to have it, and it's not no regular internship. Some are paid, some are not. The one that I got, I'm gonna say that it's already in the bag. It's paid, but it's not in Winston. It's gonna be in DC. So that means that I'ma be in a different city. Y'all know I do lashes full time. I'm a full-time lash artist. Well, if you don't know, now you know. Follow my business page at Unique today. But I have to basically kind of start over. I'm gonna be doing my intern, so like lashes is not focus, but it's my business. That's my passion. Sorry, y'all. It's a reminder. It's a passion of mine, so you never know. I really may go up in the DMV area. The area is really called Fairfax, Virginia, but it's literally 30 minutes from DC, so I'm gonna just say DMV area, y'all, honestly. Probably not gonna do nothing to my baby hairs. I'm gonna just leave them fluffy looking. It is what it is. T-Mobile closes at 8, which is good. And I'm also want to go to Five Below. to get another tripod, so I gotta keep dragging my tripod from my last room in and out everywhere, and just to have another tripod, because the one that I got, it keeps sliding down, it doesn't stay in place. So yeah, but that's the agenda for today. Oh, also, after I get out my meeting, like I said, I'm going to go to T-Mobile to see how much it'll be to add. I feel like my breath is crazy. To add an iPad to my phone bill. Come back, shower. I need to wash my hair, y'all, like I said, because this don't make no sense. Wash my hair. Put my press-ons on before I even start trying to do my content, honestly. And sit my ass down, finish editing a lot of different TikToks, videos, and stuff like that. So that's why I just need my iPad. I just need iPad. So yeah, y'all just gonna come along, me get my life together. I need to clean up a little bit. My room looks a mess. It doesn't have a comforter on it. No, girl, it doesn't have a comforter on it. I freaking bled out last week, messing the sheets up and everything, so I had to literally get that brand new. So yeah, I've been kind of on go since Atlanta. I don't know if y'all watched that or not. Be sure to go back and watch it if you haven't already. But I've been on go. I just came back from visiting my mom the weekend for her birthday. We didn't do too much, y'all. We didn't do too much, so I didn't film that. And I'm also trying to start kind of filming different types of content anyway, so yeah. And then the week before that, I went to ATL. I still have freaking luggage that needs to get unpacked, y'all. But yeah, we getting our lives together. I'm gonna come back with y'all after or during my meeting, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, that's the life update, y'all. We getting back on our Zoom. We getting back on our shit. Period. So yeah, see y'all in a few. Hey y'all. So your girl just made her a smoothie. It is 6:01. Yeah. So your girl just made her smoothie. And honestly, I'm the only one in this Zoom. The coordinator is always late, literally, so. Yo, this smoothie, I finally found like my new fave smoothie. Oh my god, y'all. It's basically a berry smoothie, and I put yogurt in it. Chef's kitchen, literally. I literally made it in my last video though. If y'all wanted to see like my smoothie recipe or whatever. If I finish my smoothie before she even, gets on this thing, then I'm gonna go ahead and go to T-Mobile because I don't have time for this. I just don't. We got things to do. So yeah, y'all. I will keep you guys updated. Let y'all know what's tea. Hey y'all. So your girl I dropped my freaking phone. Your girl just made it to T-Mobile. And I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all in there because, people be acting weird, when you have the camera out and you're handling business. So yeah. I don't know if y'all can catch these, but I'll let y'all know what we do. Yo, so I left T-Mobile because the only way I can get an iPad at the price I want to get the iPad at for the 256 gig is if I had a Wi-Fi. I'm not adding Wi-Fi to my iPad. I don't need a Wi-Fi. Came to Best Buy, and I was like, you know, I'm not gonna be able to get it added onto my Best Buy credit card. But I'm like, you know what? No. Let's just go there and let's just see. It's worth a try, okay? Everything is worth a try, y'all. Yo. Ah! I have an iPad! Yo. Oh my fucking God, y'all. I have an iPad. And it's pink. I could fucking cry because at first, y'all, I was gonna get it ordered. I thought it was a white color that they had, but it didn't. Online it looked white, but it's silver because I'm looking at my receipt, right? Then I'm telling the guy, like, you know, let's make sure it's at the right address. So he pulls it up. He says it's at the wrong address. I'm like, nope, wrong address. So we need to change. I'm looking at my receipt. I'm like, this says silver. So I'm like, yeah. I'm looking at the picture. I'm like, yeah, this is not what I want. I would have preferred white. But I'm like, I can definitely dig the pink. So he finna fix it. I'm thinking it's gonna get delivered to my house still on July 5th. He come back. He says he has the iPad. Like, bruh, this shit just literally made my day. I'm finna go order my Apple Pen for $14. Okay, and I'm ordering me a cute ass case. And yeah, the content's gonna be given. The content's gonna go up for real. Like, what? Ah! Y'all, I'm geek. Like, I was literally gonna be sad as fuck. Like, literally, leaving T-Mobile. He telling me about that Wi-Fi. I'm like, yeah, I was gonna be sad AF, y'all. So, yeah. I'm like, ah! I got an iPad! Y'all, I'm finna go so much freaking harder now because now I got a bill to pay. I gotta edit bill. But it's not too bad though. It's better than paying $600 off the shrimp. And for real, I probably like paid it off in 3 months. Like, I'm not even, no. We're not doing no interest. I already know it's gonna get paid off within 12 months, baby. Limit the bills as much as possible. That's why I stack money. I don't blow my money. Okay, save y'all coins, y'all. To be honest, I low-key act broke. I don't be spending my money popping my shoes. I could possibly be popping my shit. I shop at the thrift stores. If y'all watch me for real, I shop at the thrift stores. I love thrifting. I love vintage clothing. I like to look different. So, you know, and I'm always trying to find a deal. I'm still shopping Shein. Like, yeah. So, we finna head back to the house, y'all. I'm so geeked. I'm so happy now, like, for real. I don't know if I'm gonna do an unboxing for y'all on this video, but y'all can get like a little sneak peek. I don't know. It might get a little sneak peek. Unboxing is probably gonna be separate. But yeah. I got an iPad. But yeah, see y'all later. I'm tired of, I didn't say iPad damn near over 10 times at this point.
It seems to be easier for men than women. Like, throughout the pregnancy, because I was working out throughout the pregnancy, and then afterward when I was trying, you know, what I'm eating and then work out.
It is the next day. It's later in the evening. Last night, I actually started editing rather than thinking I was going to sit up and do my makeup, film another video while also doing this video, and while also making sure I have my video edited today. Yeah, no. So I was like, yeah, we're gonna wait till tomorrow to make sure it's quality. And yeah, I did one of my client earlier today. After I got done doing that, I made sure my video was good to upload. Did that. So if you haven't watched that, please be sure to go back and watch it. And after I did that, I had went to Chick-fil-A, got some quick food, went to the bank. Rent coming up, y'all. Rent comes up so freaking fast. It's so annoying. Went to the bank, deposited some cash, went to Food Line to get some things to cook. So I'm actually about to go ahead and start cooking, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna include that in the video because it's like not the point of the video. But I am going to wash dishes. This is about getting our life together because look, uncalled for. The table is dirty, embarrassing. I need to still build this table. May do that in this vlog, maybe. And my bed still don't have its comforter. Sleeping on blankets. But yeah, bag, luggage, bathroom stuff. Yeah, that's all coming. So let me go ahead and wash these dishes, y'all, and then we're gonna get into getting our lives together. Okay, y'all, so I'm just doing a little conceal spotting. I finished my food. I ate, chilled a little bit, so now it's time to, you know, spot, conceal, whatever. So that's what we doing now, y'all. Look at my price on.
They're cute.
Got it from TJ Maxx. These are my personals, y'all. I'm gonna put these on because trying to do content with these is just not giving. And trying to save coins, you know, baddie on a budget, that's what it's giving. So y'all seen me put personals on before. Pretty self-explanatory. It's like white abstract lines. And it comes with glue and a little foil. So I'm gonna wash my hands and we just gonna put these personals on while the concealer sits on my face. Y'all comment down below if y'all like personals or have y'all ever had personals, because I don't know. I used to like personals. And it's cool when it's like you trying to be cheap, like, because one thing about me, I'm gonna be a baddie on the budget. I don't care. I don't care. But yeah, I'm super excited to try these. I never had this shape either, so yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands, y'all. Yo, look at my press on. These are super cute. As y'all see, I still got the concealer on. That's what I'm about to do. I'm almost out of this. Y'all, I'm almost out of this freaking Morphe setting spray. Y'all know what that means. It's gonna be another trip to Ulta soon. I need to get more cleansers, so I really need to go sit there tonight, low-key, but let me just wait till tomorrow because I'm just trying to stay in the house. Yo, when I'm in the house, I'm in the house. This concealer is not blending. It really dried up on me for real. So we're gonna spray it. So I want it to be, you know, natural, but not too much because I am working out, y'all. So as I mentioned, breaking out has been kind of like, I wouldn't say messing with my confidence, but messing with my confidence. I'm still confident, but it's just a simple fact. I have this acne going on, you know? Like, y'all let it sit there way too long, y'all. All I was trying to do with my nails. Just want to chit chat with y'all a little bit. I got to start stepping out of my comfort zone, especially as far as like my business. Y'all know I just got this iPad, whatever, so that's gonna really get me kind of like more so in my bag, because I get to plan content, schedule things out, and just, you know, not actually being on my phone. Being on your phone is just so distracting. Should I put you guys right here? Okay. Being on your phone is just so distracting, you know? And honestly, I would say I would delete Instagram, but right now that's not gonna happen. When clients message me and stuff, I'm gonna have to, you know, see it, obviously. So, but I just feel like I'll be less distracted. I can, you know, be able to get my life together, and yeah, not like that. So we're gonna let that sit. I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead, a little bit right here, just a little bit right here. We're gonna let that sit, and I'm gonna go in and tap some more foundation on my acne spots, and yeah. So I'll come back with y'all, and after I finish doing some other content that I need to do. So yeah. This is it. Next thing we finna do is get the shit up out of here, get the clothes up out of here, put the comfort on the bed, and yeah. Okay, y'all. So right now, I got my iPad kind of going. So I'm gonna get this bed together because it look at how it's mess. So I did end up getting a comforter, as I mentioned, along with these satin pillowcases, y'all. Like I said, I have been breaking out, so satin pillowcases are good for your hair. Make sure it keeps the curl intact. It doesn't damage your hair or make your hair, like, you know, dry or anything like that. So I got these from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna put these on my pillows, and let me show y'all my comforter real fast. And y'all, my camera is low-key finna die, so I gotta order some more batteries. So I'm not trying to rush, but this is the comforter. I don't know if y'all can really see that well, but it's like a white scrunched up comforter. Nothing too much. So y'all just gonna see me get this bag together, y'all, because sleeping on this plain bag for days is crazy. So yeah. One, two, and y'all, I finally got a real comforter on my bed. It is so freaking cute. The little accent pillows. Super cute, y'all. So now, let me pick up my blanket. Now what I'm about to do is pick up all this stuff on the floor. And yeah, I'll see the mess. Bunch of bags, bathroom stuff need to get put up. Need to put that up. And also this closet stuff. I'm just going ahead and put this, which is from ACL, up and out the way. So yeah, y'all just gonna see it transform. Ooh, yeah. Okay, y'all. So as y'all see, I cleaned up everything, unpacked my bags, got my comforter on my bed. I unboxed my iPad with y'all, so you know I can really push my content, be more organized and things like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me getting my life together within 24 hours. But even though the day is like basically over. So yeah, we took a 1 full day to get ourselves together for the most part. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Nobody, nobody, nobody.